everybody and welcome back to another video with Lim Reviews. It's been a very long time since I last shot a video in the car, but the reason why I'm here in the car today is because today's video is all about a dash cam. In fact, a brand new dash cam by 70My. And if you're in the market looking for a dash cam for your car, you want something new, something fun, then definitely you should check out this particular video because I'm going to share with you more about this 70My Dash Cam Omni. Now, just like the name suggests, this Omni is actually basically meaning that dash cam is able to capture 360 surround video of your entire environment. It's not just a dash cam that is pointed towards the front. You can actually command it to shoot images on the left, on the right. You can even get a couple of selfies, capture a bit of vlogs, just videos to show your journey towards your destination. So this dash cam Omni here is all about that. You might hear a couple of clicking sounds going on because the dash cam Omni is just picking up my voice commands here and it just reacts to my words very naturally. So let's check out what this 70My Dash Cam Omni is all about. Now, for this particular video, I want to separate all the features into 3 key components. So the first key component is all about the voice commands. What can you actually do with it? What kind of commands can you give it? The second key component here will be about the safety features. As a dash cam in your car, you're going to need to know how can it really protect you and make sure that it captures the right video at the right moment. Now, the last feature will be an additional feature of what this dash cam can do if you actually hardwire the kit to the car. So let's begin and talk a bit about the voice commands. Now, the voice command for this dash cam Omni is actually very sensitive. So you don't need to shout very loudly to give it commands, to shoot to the left and shoot to the right. All you need to do is just speak very normally at normal volumes, and then you can actually command it to shoot on the left, shoot on the right, shoot the front, as well as shoot at the back. So for this, I'm going to jump into a very quick demo to show you how this works.
Shoot left. Shoot right.
Shoot vlog.
Get ready to say hi to the camera. Get ready to say hi to the camera.
Take selfie. Alright, so with that said, let's move on to the second component here, and that is all about the safety features. Now, this dash cam Omni has what they call ADAS, which is sort of a surveillance system that can help you out with a couple of things. I'm going to separate this particular ADAS system into 3 key components again, so component A, B, and C. Now, for component A, what can this ADAS do is basically it's able to tell you when you are departing from your lane. So let's say you're just driving the car and you're just feeling a little bit drowsy and you shift off to the next lane. What this dash cam Omni will do is that it will give out an alert.
Lane departure.
It will prompt you and say lane departure warning. It will even light up its little LED ring in red just to make sure that you notice it, and then you can actually shift back to your lane. So it's all about lane departures. Now, component B about this ADAS, what else can it do? Well, this is another very important point, and it's the fact that it can actually detect pedestrians coming towards you or people who are just walking along the streets, even motorbikes or cars. If you notice that there are people around, it will give you an alert to prompt you and again notify you, like saying pedestrian alert, moving object alert, and all that kind of thing, just so you are aware that there are people near your vehicle. Now, the third component, the component C here, is all about when the car ahead moves and you are not moving. This is where the dash cam Omni will once again give you an alert.
Vehicle ahead motion detected.
To let you know that it is time to move. Now, this is actually very important because usually when we come to a stop at red lights, we like to play with our phones all the time and we don't really realize the car in front moving. So this particular feature is actually very useful for all of you who does that. Alright, so those are the 3 key components that I would say in terms of the ADAS safety surveillance. Now let's move on to the final third feature that I want to highlight here about this particular Dashcam Omni, and that is about that Hardwire Kit that I mentioned earlier on. So what this Hardwire Kit really does is that it ensures that your dashcam is constantly powered by your car's battery. Once you actually do that, the Dashcam Omni is going to be powered constantly and it will be able to capture motion around your vehicle when you are not in the car, and it will actually send you a notification. So this is what 70My is calling their AI motion, and it's basically to detect people who might be around your car, who might be bumping it against your car, damaging your vehicle, or maybe if there's another car out there that actually knocks into your car, it will ensure that the video is actually captured so that you can use it to prove whatever situation that you are in. So again, this is through the Hardwire Kit that you can actually get from 70My. Alright, so at the end of the day, this is the kind of dash cam that 70My is pushing out at the moment, the 70My Dash Cam Omni. Of course, 70My provides like a ton of different dash cams, and they are actually the experts in it. Alright, with that said, thank you for watching today's video. If you have any further questions or if you just need help, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'll try my best to help you out if I can answer your question. I've been using this for 2 weeks now, and so far it has been working like a charm. With that said, again, thank you for watching today's video. I've got to get out of the car now. Looking forward to see you guys in the next one. Stay safe, everybody. Bye!